have enough I think aileron control to do a barrel.
It does not?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta adjust it. Fly around the poles, Darian.
I'll try not to. So cool.
Oh my god. How do you know when the battery's low? Oh!
That was hard. Connection. Hopefully you enjoyed the flight video. So you guys may know that I said it disconnected, and well, it actually did. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this clamp, oh not the clamp, the tape, so I can get into the main bay. And I just want to show you what happened. So those are the pieces. The best plane to do this with. So I picked a glider, which when it got, when the battery unplugged itself, it flipped and then it started to glide again, which basically saved the whole plane. So as you can see here, this right here is the canopy for the front. This is actually not even supposed to be open, but the battery just shot through this and then it just shot like that and it came out. This is the canopy, so I hollowed out the whole thing. It was really tight spaces for it, but I was able to do it. And then so I forgot that you guys haven't seen the last video. So basically I'm gonna flip this over. We got the EDF in the bottom now. You guys are on what happened top. It's on the bottom now. So I cut out a bit so it's very efficient. And then tube's long enough. We got 3 carbon spars. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. This is so strong. And since it goes decently fast and I pull like loop-de-loops, these wings are strong enough to keep this plane together. They're like rock solid. They don't bend whatsoever. I can hold it. I think I can hold out the tip and it won't bend at all. Like, see, it's not even bending. And then I took out the dihedral and the wings to make it, because like if I had a dihedral, it'd start making like really weird lifts when I went really fast. But it's fine. So we got the servos, goes in here, goes through that little hole. Same with the underside. And the tail is just one solid piece. We got our antennas, and then we got the inside. So under this canopy right here, all the electronics, and then we got our Velcro strap or ESC, and then this is basically what happened. So if you look over here, I'm gonna go get these pieces, and if you look over here, this part was connected to the battery, and then when the battery did a flip, I think it pulled something, or maybe even came out of the Velcro, and it basically just messed this whole thing up, and then it just disconnected, and then thankfully that didn't go straight down, it actually glided to the ground, which is good, which is a nice safety feature, I guess. But anyways, that's it. Hope you guys do enjoy the video. I don't want to make it too long, but that's a crash. Hope you enjoy the flight footage, and maybe next time we'll put a GoPro on it. I took the electronics off of that plane over there. It's my cargo plane. It's really dirty on the table, so don't look at that. But anyways, hope you guys do enjoy the video, and see you guys next time when I fix this and fly it again.